A more formal way of organizing elements is with periods and groups. A period is the word given to a row. The periodic table has 7 rows, which we call periods 1 through 7 from top to bottom. Groups are columns. There are 18 groups, sometimes numbered 1 to 18, sometimes numbered as A columns and B columns. As a rule, the elements in each group have similar properties, so this helps to predict how one element will behave based on another one in the group. 4 groups are so well behaved that they have been given certain names. I would like you to know the names and properties of these groups. Let's start with group 1A. These elements are called alkali metals. They are highly reactive. You will probably never handle these in their pure element form because they are too dangerous. Never touch them. The picture shown is the alkali metal sodium in water. It literally rips the hydrogen atoms of the water molecules with such heat that they catch fire. Group 2A are alkali earth metals. These are much less reactive than alkali metals, but more so than most other metals. They are generally considered to be a fire hazard. Next is the halogens, group 7A. Halogens are like alkali metals. They are known for their strong reactivity with most other substances. The most famous is chlorine. Chlorine is a green gas used as the first chemical warfare agent. It was dumped into foxholes in World War I with deadly effect. Please expect all the halogens to be very reactive. You should always avoid touching or breathing these elements. Finally, group 8A contains noble gases. You know of one of these, helium. Helium floats balloons at children's birthday parties, and occasionally they pop. Sometimes an adult will even poke a hole in the balloon and breathe the gas to make their voice pitch go high. The reason nobody cares if the children are exposed to helium and if the sensitive lung tissue is exposed to helium is because it's a noble gas. Unlike alkali metals and halogens, noble gases are completely unreactive. They are referred to as being inert. Finally, I should mention a very important property of elements. Although some, like alkali metals and halogens, are very reactive when they are pure elements, when they react to form compounds, they become very inert. To illustrate, consider the compound sodium chloride. It is made by reacting sodium with chlorine. While you would never eat either of these elements, you do eat sodium chloride, which is common table salt.